Thank you. Your heart goes out to the family. Well, the state of Utah is facing a new lawsuit alleging the state has been irresponsible managing violent offenders. ABC4's Annika Johns joining us live in studio with the latest on this. Annika.
Yeah, that's right, Emily. The complaint contains the details of 6 cases where violent offenders were released from jail early on parole. The complaint claims they weren't properly monitored by officials and that many of them shouldn't have even been released in the first place.
All of this was avoidable. It's avoidable.
A lawyer in Utah filed an official complaint against the state.
We're here because of willful government misconduct, where innocent citizens of the state of Utah were murdered, beat up, and otherwise abused.
The law firm says the state, along with various parole and corrections departments, failed the citizens of Utah by letting offenders out of jail early on parole without monitoring them properly.
The government, the corrections department and its agencies and divisions allowed violent people to be paroled that should never have been paroled.
As a result of these early paroles, the complaint says that these offenders were given the opportunity to do whatever they'd like, including harm others.
And there were several murders as a result of this. Many injuries, a fire, brutal beatings took place.
There are 6 people suing with the expectation that more will reach out now that the complaint is filed. One person is Bethany Smuckler and her husband Clarence Newman, whose home was broken into by Ammon Jacob Woodhead in 2022 before he assaulted the couple and set fire to their home. The lawyers say he was released from prison early by UBPP with the knowledge that he would not be properly supervised by AP&P.
I just hope that the state will make it so that this will never happen to anybody ever again. There's somebody that was on parole was able to come out, enjoy his freedom, and try and do this to someone else, because it's a day that I'll never forget.
The complaint has over 300 paragraphs. It's 47 pages long, each detailing the events these plaintiffs went through. Sykes says he hopes to reform the system with this case and that he does expect more people to come forward with their own similar instances. Back to you at the desk.